Hello students, welcome to Dheyam Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. I am Sumedha. Today we are learning for standard 10th and our subject is English. And what is our topic name? See, our topic name is what? Narrations. That is what? Direct and indirect speech. Okay, what is direct and indirect speech? See, when you read about the sentence, what comes in your mind? What comes in your mind when you read about this sentence? See, what is narration? Narration is what? We will know over here. See, narration means reporting what someone said. It is an important part of a grammar used in daily conversation, writing and storytelling. Okay, while storytelling and writing and while daily conversation, that is in playing an important role. Narration means what? In reporting what someone said. It is an important part of a grammar used in daily conversations, writing and storytelling. Okay. Now, next is what? There are two types of speech in narration. First is what? Direct speech. The exact word of the speaker are used. The sentence is enclosed in quotation mark. Now see how it is taken an example over here. See, I have taken an example, that is what? First understand what is the meaning of direct speech. Direct speech means what? Taking an exact word of the speaker are used. It is like an as reporting. Okay. Now see, the sentence is enclosed in a quotation mark. Quotation mark means what? This double inverted comma means what? Quotation mark. Understood? Can you see this? This is a quotation mark. Now, I have taken the example. Can you see this part? We have taken the quotation marks over here. Now see, we will simply take an example of our sentence and move to the next part. Now see, she said, see, if I talking about one student, so what I will say? She said, comma, again quotation mark or double inverted comma. I am studying. That girl has said, Madam, I am studying. So what I said? She said. SAID said. She said, I am studying. Simple. What I have done? What the speaker means what that girl has said me that I have simply said that word. I didn't make any changes while conversation. Okay. She said, I am studying. Simple. Okay. Now, next is what? That is indirect speech. That is reported speech. The meaning of the original words are conveyed, not the exact words. Means what? These are not same as a speaker said. They are not convey the same, not the exact word. The meaning should be same, but the word are changed. The words are changed. That is meaning of indirect speech. Now see, quotation mark are removed. No quotation marks are needed over here. Pronouns, tenses, time and the place, word often the change. Means what the makes change? Pronouns is changed, tense is changed. Means sentence is in a present tense, you told is in a past tense. Okay, time and place will be changed. See, if you say at the morning at 8 o'clock, Okay, when you listen about the morning 8 o'clock. But while conveying the message, what you will say? In the morning. Okay, and place where in school or classroom where you talk about into classroom, but what you say, we did talk this about into school automatically, where there is a class that is into school itself, but not giving the exact information or exact word. Okay, means what? Exchanging the word but not changing the original meaning of it. See, if I say I have told you this in class, which class? First, second, third, fourth, which? That should be specified. Right? Now see. Again the example. She said that she was studying. She said that she was studying. Okay. Now, next is what? Parts of narrations. Now see. Part and explanation. How many parts? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Reporting verb are what? Verb used to report the speech. For example, said, asked, told. Words are used. Which words are used? Said, asked, told. Said, asked, told are used. And for second speech, that is reported. This is reporting. See the difference. Reported and again reporting. This is a clause. Okay, this is talking about speech. See, are you able to see this, students? Okay, I will make you visible this part. Okay, fine. Now see, reporting and reported. This is a verb. This is a speech. See, this is a verb. This is speech. This is the reporting clause. Now see, verb used in the report, the speech. As word as like said, ask, told are words are used. While reported speech, the actual spoken words. Indirect speech. If I say I am studying, you will directly say yes, I am studying. I am studying, you will use. You will not use she was studying, they was studying. No, you will directly say I was studying. Okay. Now, reporting clause is what? Reporting clause is clause. Reporting clause. Talking about the full sentence, indicating subject and reporting verb. Indicating the subject also and reporting verb also. What are reporting verb? As said, asked, told are also used in this part. Understood? Now, rules for converting direct to indirect speech. Now see, change the pronouns. Pronouns changing according to first person. Change based on the subject. Second person change on the based on the object. Third person usually stay unchanged. Now see, for example, Ram said, comma, and double inverted, comma, I am tired. Ram said that he was tired. Okay. Who said that I am tired? Ram said that I am tired. Now see. Change in tenses. Okay. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the sentence of the reported speech moves one step back. Okay. Change in tenses. Now see, if the reporting verb is a past tense, the tense of the reporting speech moves one step back. Now, direct speech. What are the direct speech, students? Present simple. Okay, that is what I play. Direct speech is what? I play. Now, indirect speech is what? See, this part, which is direct, indirect. Okay, this is visible. Now I can explain. Okay, now see, we are talking about indirect speech now. What is that? Past simple. Talking for indirect. Pay attention. He played. What is the sentence? He played in indirect. But indirect is what? I play. Direct sentence. Indirect is what? He played. Now, present continuous is I am playing. Past continuous is what? He was playing. And for present perfect, I have done. Past perfect, he had done. For indirect, past is common. What is change? What is change over here? That is simple continuous perfect. And see, in indirect speech, he played is past simple. Please don't get confused. Look at this and try to understand. Okay, past continuous is what? He was playing. Past perfect, he had done. Now, present simple, I play. Or continuous is I am playing. Present perfect is what? I have done. Okay. Now see MCQ part. What are they? Which of the following is an example of direct speech? She said she was ill. She said I am ill. She told me that she was ill. We are talking for a direct speech. She said me if I was ill. So what is the sentence? She said I am ill. Okay. Indirect is what? Indirect speech, the spoken words are enclosed in round brackets, curly brackets, quotation marks, square brackets. Now see, direct speech are spoken words are enclosed in what? Are enclosed in quotation mark. Identify the reporting verbs in the sentence. He said, I like pizza. Reporting is what? Like is a word that is given as a reporting. Okay? Which sentence is in indirect speech? We are going to school, said Reena. Reena said we are going to school. Reena said that we are going to school. Reena said they are going to school. Which one is correct? That is indirect. We are going to school or they are going to school. Option 3. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am happy. He said, he was happy. He said, that he was happy. He said I was happy. He said that I am happy. Which one is correct? He said that he was happy, or he said he is happy. Okay. What happens to the tense in indirect speech if the reporting verb is in the past? It remains the same. It's changed one step back. It's changed the future. It becomes a present perfect. Tense indirect speech reporting verb, it remains same. Okay. Now direct speech, Ravi said, I have finished my work. Choice the correct indirect form. Ravi said that he had finished his work. Option this. In the sentence, she said, I am going. Which part of reported speech? That is, I am going. I am going. What is the correct indirect speech of? Rahul said, I played cricket. Rahul said he played cricket. Rahul said he plays cricket. Rahul said he plays cricket. Which one is right? Rahul said I plays cricket. Okay. Now this for your homework. Take a screenshot of this. Done. Now next, take this also screenshot. Done. Okay. Students, keep practicing in this way. Okay. Now this for also for an homework. Okay. Take a screenshot. Done. Okay. See, keep practicing and have fun while learning. Okay. If you can have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Thank you so much.